When you're ready to do your goal plan projection, we need to see your big picture. The first step is to aggregate your outside accounts. Let me show you how to do it. Once you're logged into Client Access, click on My Accounts. Then you want to go to the link that says Add or Edit a non-Raymond James account. You may need to accept the terms of service first. Once you've done that, you search for your financial institution, and then you will enter your login credentials. And that way we will be able to track the holdings in your account as well as the balance, and it's updated on a daily basis. You'll type in your username and password, and you'll need to enter your password twice. You'll need to do this for each of your outside accounts. Once you've linked your outside account, there'll be a pop-up notice to let you know that you've done it successfully. We will not be notified, so please let us know. Either give us a call or send us an email to let us know that you've aggregated your accounts. Once you've aggregated your accounts, we'll use them to prepare your draft goal plan. We're going to show you in the next video how you can view those online.